When you are out in the tactical field, you know that nothing can be more severe than suffering from a hand injury, especially while shooting. It is severe as even a tiny cut can hamper your overall performance and lead you to an unsuccessful mission. So, to avert such situations, many professionals wear tactical gloves, but not all the gloves can provide palm, finger, and knuckle protection, grip, flexibility, and comfort while shooting. Therefore, in today's video, we've talked about the top 5 best tactical gloves for shooting that offer excellent hand grip and protection and keep your hand cool and comfortable. So without delaying anymore, let's go ahead and begin the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
When it comes to dexterity and a full range of motion for fingers in the shooting field without worrying about hand damage, the Sabertron Solag provides exactly what you need for a successful shooting session. The glove pair comes with an nylon wristband with a metal ring for smoother adjustment. Besides, there is an extended loop area for better wrist adjustment. Each glove features EVA filling, which covers knuckles and fingers, offering excellent protection from high impacts. The glove pair contains microfiber on both back and palm, plus they have water-resistant material, making them appropriate for all-season use. This glove pair offers the best operation ability on different surfaces as they come with a large area of anti-slip and quick-drying material. Finally, wearing them is entirely a breeze, thanks to the glove puller loop. Long talk short, if you're searching for a glove which ensures excellent hand protection while assisting you in precision shooting, then this Sabertron Solag is a good glove pair to start with. Designed to provide reliable knuckle protection even in the most challenging mission, the 511 Hard x2 will always help you go the extra mile while keeping your hands safe and responsive. This tactical glove pair features 2-piece molded hard knuckles that guarantee ergonomic impact protection. Even though the glove is designed rugged, it ensures excellent air circulation thanks to its 4-way stretch breathable top. Each glove has a goatskin palm, which is touchscreen compatible, so the gloves will not be a barrier anymore when operating touchscreen devices. These gloves allow you to shoot and reload your firearm fast as they come with a ring-cut index and middle fingers. And there is also a sweat swipe panel on the thumb that will benefit you in long hours of shooting. They also contain an adjustable hook and loop wrist closer that offer an easy and customizable fit to the wrist of different sizes. All in all, the 511 Hard x2 is rugged, durable, and has all the valuable features to protect your hand from high impact while offering you optimum dexterity in the shooting field. Containing the highest quality material and offering maximum hand protection while enabling you to enjoy the best shooting experience, the Peak Full Dexterity Tactical Alpha is specially crafted to give you the maximum scale for ultimate shooting. These shooting gloves are made out of nylon for ultimate toughness and longevity. Besides, they boast a single-layer multi-piece palm which delivers excellent shooting grip and optimal sensitivity. Speaking of the sensitivity, These gloves come with a touchscreen compatible conductive thumb and a trigger finger that lets you use the smartphone without losing tactile dexterity. Each glove comes with a rollover fingertip, which eliminates the suffering of jammed seams under your fingernails. This glove has excellent moisture wicking ability as its inner foresheets are ventilated and outer foresheets are synthetic suit. Overall, the Peak Full Dexterity Tactical Alpha is just perfectly designed to provide you with the needed agility for fast and accurate shooting. Meet our second best glove, the Outdoor Research Iron Sight. A step up in durability and protection, it still preserves the key aspects of tactility and dexterity that you'll find beneficial in the shooting ground. These tactical gloves have a highly durable, breathable, and rugged shell constructed of 97% polyester and 3% spandex. In contrast, they come with a solid palm, which is manufactured from 60% nylon and 40% polyurethane. Thus, they offer a firm grip and extreme sensitivity during delicate tasks. They also feature a full silicone silkscreen coat on the fingers, offering exceptional grip and enable you to pick up materials as delicate as a piece of paper. Each glove offers a snug and customizable fit, as each pair contains contoured wrist and hook loop cuff closer. In summary, with slip-free grip pads, breathable upper, supple construction, this Outdoor Research Iron Sight indeed outperforms other gloves of this price range. As on our top selection, we've picked this Mechanix FastFit, designed with top quality materials to enhance your grip and reduce hand fatigue and let you experience the lateral stretch. Unlike many gloves, this pair has a synthetic leather palm, which is high abrasion resistant and works well with agility, and most importantly, it is touchscreen compatible. This tactical glove pair can pull moisture from your hand and keep you cool and comfortable, plus eliminates the possibility of blisters thanks to its Trek Dry evaporative cooling technology. Besides, these gloves house reinforced thumb and index finger and feature pinched fingertip construction. All these features offer improved finger strength and added durability. Lastly, each glove comes with a stretched elastic cuff that provides a more comfortable and secure fit. In conclusion, this Mechanix FastFit is backed by all the premium quality features of a standard pair of tactical gloves that you need for precision shooting with utmost comfort. So that was all about the top 5 best tactical gloves for shooting. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.